days. Thank God I finally found a better way. Thank God I finally found a better way.
Man, it's a beautiful day. We're gonna do some upholstery, we're gonna do some carpets, and then after that, we're gonna go to a house and do some Scotch guarding for some protection, fabric protection. See when we get there. Alright, so we're in the beautiful wine country of Paso Robles. We're going to be doing some upholstery, some rugs, some carpet, some dining chairs. I know that's part of upholstery, but they added that on. I guess the last carpet cleaners said that they can't do it, and I told them I'd check it out when I arrived. And yeah, they're tough ones to do, but we can get it done. So the total estimate is $615. So we do have to wrap it up here and move back to another building. So I did charge extra for that, and I didn't know that on the phone with the estimate, but he had no problem with the extra charges. So we're gonna go ahead and get everything going. Brenda's vacuuming. I got live reels on this thing, guys. Now this is awesome. So I don't have to hook this up anymore. I just roll it up and wind it back up when I'm done. So it's a nice little time saver and space saver, because I used to have my water hoses hanging up over there in the way. So yeah, good little thing there. These type of chairs are hard to clean. They want to wick, so you got to make sure when you're cleaning them you get the maximum amount of moisture out of it. Everything needs to be evenly sprayed and extracted, because if you don't spray everything evenly on it, you will notice different types of shading and spots that look dirty in it. So very important to do. Yeah. About 300 psi medium heat for doing upholstery. So we already pre-sprayed it. She did, actually. So just doing a good scrub. Makes the whole cleaning process easier.
Every day, making more money, but there's more I gotta pay. Every day I wake up to the same thing, thinking things will change for the better, but they don't, man. With the kid to feed and the girl to please, thinking to myself in 10 years, well, would I be at home, man? I work with a bad back, or in the pen doing time for selling that. I don't know, I gotta come up some way. Dreaming as a kid is just to be rich one day, but it's hard with the credits of the 10th grade. Can't get a job with the future and real pay, so I sit here feeling frustrated, thinking to myself, should I get it, gonna take it? Masking on face, walking the front door with a stick up, everybody face down on the floor. Thank God I finally found a better way. 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 Thank God I finally found a better way.
This is a really cheap tool you can get if you don't have money for a CRB yet, or a mechanical agitation device. 15 bucks, 20 bucks at Home Depot. For areas, you know, even if you do have those devices, like I do, areas that aren't that bad, you can hit the traffic areas and you don't have to bring any machines out. This is worn fiber, this is polyester, so odds are these traffic areas aren't going to come out looking perfect, but they'll be clean.
Been 2 years, still I'm in the same place, and down on my luck, it's like just getting worse every day. Pacing back for a solution, but now that's coming up to me, it's just an illusion. And now I'm at work, tension's tight. My lady talking shit, she thinks she's always right. Maybe it's me, but man, that's too much to see. I'd rather leave her talk about the shit another night. And now we're fading, temptations are gaining. My boys are making money, dope slinging and yanking. Should I sacrifice all the loving I got to be another dope dealer making money illegally? Watching my back, cause I know they'll be watching me, so they can throw me in a penitentiary. I couldn't live life like that. And if I'm caught, I'd rather die than live like that. Think I'd found a better way. 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 Think I'd found a better way.
Real quick, guys, if you're thinking about getting into the carpet cleaning business, I do offer a step-by-step course down below. All my videos, there's a link. Not just the technical side of it, but the business side of it. How to get those customers to call you. Also, the tools I love and use, down below also. How about the video? All right, we're over in the other house. We're gonna clean that chair, this rug, carpet, and rug here, and a couple of little area rugs back over here. So customer did opt in to do some Scotch Guard on their dining room chairs. After we were finished, they brought it up and they seen it in my there's a thing you guys can do to get that Scotch Guard or fabric protection upsell without having to say anything to anybody. You know, your notifications before you get to the job, just bringing that up, you know, this is an option, and that way you don't have to say anything to anybody. they say something to you if they want. Okay, so gonna knock these out. Alright, so my GoPro did some weird things, so I couldn't get a lot of footage, but I knocked those 2 rugs out. Area rug, these 2 in that chair, and we put little plastic tabs under the bottom there, so there'll be any color transfer. Alright, that'll be it for this one. We're going to go to my next job and just do some Scotch guarding. See you in the next video.
What we do, we got nothing to lose. No faith in like a gallon of booze. Now I'm sitting in a jail cell. Family's broke as hell, so yeah, no bail. I guess my teacher was right. I make a mess of my life, but I'm not seeing no light. All I'm seeing is fight. I guess it is what it is. Ever since I'm a kid, I'm kinda thinking I'm cursed. I'm really thinking I'm cursed. Thank God I found a better way. Thank God I found a better way. Thank God I found a better way. Thank God I found a better way.